Hello there. In today's video, I'll be showing you all some features of WhatsApp. Okay, some things that you can do with WhatsApp, and these are things which will benefit you. Okay, these are things which will help you do your things. So let's start. So now I have my WhatsApp opened in front of me, and the first thing I'm going to show you is what happens when you hold a chat for 3 seconds. Okay,
Teddy bear, 2:22 p.m. Mom, mashallah, one unread message in list.
this is say teddy bear. Now if I hold it for 3 seconds, what is going to happen? Let's see.
One item selected. Showing items 1 to 12 of 66.
This has been selected. I can select multiple items as well to do the work whatever I want to do. And at the top of your screen you will have some options coming now. So let's see what are those options.
Archive chat, out of list.
Archive chat. If you archive a chat, then that chat will appear at the ending of your WhatsApp chats. Like say if there are 64 chats in your WhatsApp and you have archived one of the chats from them, so what will happen is it will appear at the very end of your WhatsApp. When you scroll to the very end of the WhatsApp, then you will be able to see that chat. So that is the meaning of archive chat.
More options, button.
This is more options.
Edge panels, edge. More options, button. Archive chat. Mute notifications.
Mute notifications. So here you can mute notifications from here. Okay.
Pin chat.
Pin chat. You can pin this chat. So what does this mean basically is if you pin this chat, it becomes opposite of archive
Showing
chat.
items 1 to 12 of 66. Showing items 1 to 12 of 66.
It becomes opposite of archive chat. That is, it will appear at the top of all your chats. Okay. And after that we have the number of chats that we have selected appearing. Okay, like 1. Okay, this is the number of chats we have selected. So these are only the options which appear when we hold and long press a group. Okay, this was a group which I held and long press. But if you hold and long press a chat, okay, a normal chat, like if you are holding your friend's chat, say, okay, personal number, okay, so what will happen is there will be an extra option known as delete, okay, from where you can delete that chat. Okay, so what will happen there is the chat will get deleted, okay, and all its messages will be cleared, but the phone number won't be deleted. Like the contact won't be deleted. If you have saved him or her to your contacts, the contact won't be deleted, that is the name won't be deleted. So you can go in the search field and search them, okay, and you can message them again. Okay, and while I was showing you these options, there was a more options button appearing. So let's see what is there in that more options button.
Pin chat. Mute notifications. Archive chat. More options. Pop-up window. Exit group. In list.
Exit group. This is a group, so I can exit group straight away from here.
Add chat shortcut.
Add chat shortcut. If you add chat shortcut, then it is added to your home screen and you can go straight away in that chat.
Group info.
You can go to group info.
Mark as read.
Mark as read. What happens here if there is some unread message, so you can mark it as read. Okay, if you have read it from the notifications panel and you saw that it was showing unread, so you can mark this message as read. Okay, the messages which you have not seen. But if you have seen all the messages, then this option will not appear.
Select all.
Select all.
Edge panels. Out of list. Edge panels.
Okay, these many options are only there.
Back. Button. Navigation.
So let's come
WhatsApp.
back.
More options. Button.
So we have seen options which come when we double tap and hold a chat for 3 seconds. Now let's see one more unique feature which has just come in new update of WhatsApp. So let's go. So I have opened the chat over here, and I will play one voice message and show you a very unique feature.
Home. Recent. Type a message. Emoji. Play. Button. Showing items 1 to 4 to 5.
I have recorded this voice message in order to show you how to increase or decrease speed of WhatsApp voice messages.
Play.
So yeah, so as you all heard the voice message, you all might have understood what I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the speed of WhatsApp voice messages. You can never decrease the speed of voice messages until now, okay? Like from this, we cannot make the voice message from slower than the default voice message, but we can increase its speed. So what we have to do basically is click on the play button and then pause it again, okay? In 1 second only we have to pause it, okay? And then if the voice message which you have sent, if you want to increase the voice message of, if you want to increase the speed of voice message which you have sent, then you will get that option in the right side. And if you want to increase the speed of the voice message which you have received, then you will get that option on the left side of the voice message, okay? So now let's see. So let's play the voice message.
HTTPS. Today. Play. Button.
Okay, and I will pause it in 1 second only.
Showing items 1 to 5 to 5.
I have recorded this voice message in
38%,
order to show you
44%.
how to
Type a message.
increase
Edit
or
box.
decrease
68%.
speed
Pause.
of
Button.
WhatsApp voice messages.
Play.
I
Showing
have
items 1. Play.
So I have paused it in 1 second. Now as this message has been sent by me, I will get the option in the right side.
1 times. Button.
1 times, if I double tap here, the speed will increase,
1.5 times.
okay? And we have 2 times, 1.5 times and 2 times. Now let's see what is the speed.
Play. Button. Pause.
I
Showing
have
items 1 to 4 to 4.
I have recorded this voice message in order to show you how to increase or decrease speed of WhatsApp voice messages.
Play.
Okay, now let's see how much speed is there if you have 2 times as your option selected.
Showing items 1 to 4 to 4.
I have recorded this voice message in order to
34%.
show you how to
46%.
increase
Type a
or
message.
decrease
Emoji.
speed
72%.
of WhatsApp voice
1.5
messages.
times. Today. You. Voice. 1.5. Attach. Button. Camera. Today. You. Play. Button. Showing items 1 to 4. Play.
So let's see.
1.5 times. 2 times. Play. Button. Pause. Showing items 1 to 4 to 4.
I have recorded this voice message in order to show you how to increase or decrease speed of WhatsApp voice messages.
Play.
So it became very fast. So like this you can increase the speed of WhatsApp voice messages. When you swipe right, you will get this thing.
Today. You. Voice mess. HTTPS.
Okay, you will get something like 1.5, 2, okay? And if you want to change the speed, you have to double tap on that only.
Type a message. Edit box. Emoji. Play. Button. Showing items 1 to 4 to 4.
So now I'll make it to normal
2 times. Button. 1 times.
1 times. Okay, so it came to default.
Play. Button. Pause.
I have recorded this voice message in order to show you how to increase or decrease speed of WhatsApp voice messages.
Play.
Okay, so these were
Showing
some
items 1 to 5 of 5.
features. These were some features which I wanted to show you all today. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, if you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comment section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching, bye bye.